in Zimbabwe. And there is no doctor, no nurse. And if there is a doctor and a nurse, there's no medication. Imagine going to a clinic and being told that you must bring your own gloves, your own bandage, your own ointment, your own panado, and your own drip. You must bring it to the clinic. That's what happens in Zimbabwe. There are roads that haven't been repaired, potholes everywhere. We have a situation of plus minus 90% unemployment. Now, these are just economic factors. These are things that, everyday life, electricity, no water. Water comes on 2-3 hours a day. These are just normal things. Now, there's a lot of Zimbabweans that want to paint a different picture. You can go on social media and you can see Zimbabweans at Victoria Falls. You can see them at all these fancy hotels. They're driving nice cars. They're going to hotels and having dinner and lunches and stuff. Yes, that happens. But that is for less than 5% of the population. Those people's lives are wonderful and well done to them. But the vast majority of Zimbabweans are suffering. And to anyone who says that Zimbabwe is normal or up and coming, let me just inform you that up to 25% of Zimbabwe's population is in economic exile. 25%. Now, let me just put that roughly in South African terms. 60 million people, 2.5 times 6, 2 times 12, 34, 14, 15 million South Africans left South Africa today and went to work menial jobs in the 4 countries that surround us. What do you think that is an indication of? A successful economy? An economy that's working for everyone? A place that everyone has hope? Do you really think that 25% of Zimbabweans would rather go and live in a mkuku? Because my Zimbabweans, we have built homes, kumusha kwedu, brick homes, water, borehole, electricity, solar panels, they're there. But there's just no jobs and the economy is broken. So a country where 25% of the workforce leaves is not a functional country. It's not a good country. It's not a country that the leadership should be proud of. It's not a country that you should be sharing pictures of you picnicking at Borrowdale Brook with your $1,200 wine and stuff like that. That's not the country where you should be doing shit like that. So those people who try and bring out this false narrative of Zimbabwe, it's a narrative of their lifestyle. How they achieve that, whatever the case is, it's up to them. Well done to them. But the majority